Welcome to the channel. I'm ShadowScoutSwede. Today I will show you my new seed packages I bought yesterday. And here they are. And I got 3 of them. But before we dive into those, we will be back after this message. Welcome back, guys. Let's get into this video, shall we? Here are my new seeds. I got 3 packages this time. And let's dive in and see what I got. We begin with this one first, and then we move forward to the other 2. This is called Como, and this is dill. I know 2 types of dill, and I have never heard of this one before, so I have no idea what flavor or how the taste on this specific type of dill is, but it will be interesting when I manage to put this in a pot, okay? And this seed package is really thick, unusual thick to have contain seeds, but I have no idea how these seeds looks like, but that will be really interesting to see, okay? And this is sold by Nelson Garden as well. And the other one is Gigante d'Italia, and this one is parsley flat leaf. I love parsley. My grandmother used parsley a lot, actually. Almost every time she made dinner or lunch, she used parsley. And parsley, I know of, is really delicious, but never tasted this one, so that will be interesting to see how this will do in flavor and taste. And the third one is called Balkan Star, and this one is basil small leaf. So I know there are a lot of different types of basil, and this one I have heard of before, but I have never tasted it. So I believe this one has similar flavor and taste as the other types of basil, at least the regular one. That is what I got, and this one is also coming from Nelson Garden, which is nice. And one of them is organic, actually, and this one is organic. You see it on that little marking there. But what do you think, guys, about those 3 types of seeds I got? Let me know in the comments, and I will see you in the next one. And before I go, if you're new to my channel, feel free to subscribe, like, share, and comment. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you get notified when I upload new videos and go live. Until the next time, guys, take care, stay safe, God bless, be part of the solution, not the problem. ShadowScoutSwede out.